today. Salt man deco. Yo, you lot, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, bit of a random one. So my friend told me about this bar or this nightclub here in Medellin, and apparently on Thursdays they ride horses through the middle of the nightclub. Everyone's getting drunk or whatever. Sounds like a great video, so I thought let's go, let's bring the cameras. So that's what we're gonna do. We just arrived at my friend's house. We're gonna have a little barbecue, a few pre-drinks, and then we're gonna head there. So I will either see you in the house or see you in the taxi. If you haven't already, subscribe. Let's go. Hey, dice subscribe. Dice subscribe.
Que se suscriban, por favor.
Chefing. Oh, they got it ready. It's filled up. I'm absolutely starving. I haven't eaten all day. I've been waiting for this guy, waiting for these girls over here. Colombian girls are the longest girls on the fucking planet. Let's see what we got. Take over.
Claro, ¿qué?
Tengo muchísima hambre.
Amor, espérate que todavía no está.
¿Cuánto tiempo te esperé? No me puede dar un poco para acá.
Una hora.
Qué triste.
Que tiene mucha hambre.
If a girl can make this, she's halfway there. If she's fit, she's 3/4 there. That's the way to my fucking heart, mate. Make me a good guacamole.
Carne.
Steaks. Greens, man. Looks good. Fuck it.
Bro,
Acting like I fucking cooked them. I didn't do anything. Right, these lot are telling me I can't eat fucking eggs at this time. I'm sick of it. Sick of it, alright? I understand you don't eat fucking eggs at this time, but I do.
Uiteindelijk hebben ze het toch gekookt gewoon.
ja, het is wel gelukt, ja, het is wel gelukt.
Like eggs at this time, no. It's illegal. Today. Salt man deco.
Maar wel snijden.
Yes, please. I would fucking love one.
Nah, you wouldn't love one, bro. You just take one. Nah, you wouldn't devour it. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Well, here's your way to hell.
Oh, thank you, Pancho.
And I think this is the way to appropriately lead into that way of hell where you're going to.
Rather large.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Enjoy. It's not beautiful, bro. It's fucking gross.
It's fucking divine. Scrumptious. Would you like one? You would? Yes?
It is one.
Yes. Fucking cheers, man.
Fucking cheers, bro.
Tequila con chips. Lovely. Right guys, enjoy it. Alright, so we just pulled up to the club. Fucking horses outside. It's wild, man. I've never seen anything like this. Right, I'm gonna try and get in now. We turned up half an hour late for our reservation.
Pero no por eso, sino porque no sabes cuánto estaba dando yo ahí comiendo para entender de la historia. Pero si yo soy inglés, entiendo. Porque calero.
fucking messy one, I can tell already. I'm about 5 shots of tequila down. I'm feeling a little bit twisted. But we're in the place, we're gonna go see some horses. And eso es todo. Yo, I don't know what's going on right now. I just know that I'm absolutely off my face. And they're about to bring some horses out. It is what it is. Something's happening.
Solo se cantaron.
It's time to call it a night now. These lot don't know when to sleep. I need to go home. It's a fucking Thursday.